Are you tired of the false signals that come over and over again and ruin your strategy? Today, we show you the top 3 best volume indicators that filter out the majority of fake signals in any strategy. Moreover, we will reveal to you very profitable strategies with these volume indicators. During this video, we also will show you how you can access our top-notch private indicator, known as QuantAlgo. This algo tells you when to buy and when to sell, giving you an insane advantage over other traders. Without further ado, let's move on to the first topic and consider the volume indicator that holds third place in our list. So, open the Indicators tab, type RedK Everex, and choose this indicator. RedK Everex is an indicator that explores volume price analysis, basic concepts, and Wyckoff law effort versus result, calculating a relative value for volume and strength of price movement compared to a specified look-back period. With that, let's consider the main elements of this indicator and then optimize its settings. As you can see, we have volume bars which could be either green or red and 4 horizontal lines. For us, only 75 level line is useful, so that let's make it a bit wider. So, the first confirmation component is quite simple. In a bullish case, we want to see a green volume bar that should exceed the 75 level, while in a bearish case, the volume bar should be red and should be above the 75 level. Moving on, we have a signal line, which is colored either blue or orange, and a smoothing line that has a gray color. Obviously, we use these lines as a second confirmation component. So, to confirm a long entry even further, the smoothing line should be above the signal line, with the signal line being colored blue. Alternatively, the smoothing line should be below the signal line, and the latter should have an orange color. Now, go to the settings, increase the length to 15, and adjust the signal length to 6. When it comes to complete trading strategy, we combine this indicator with a KNN-based strategy and weighted deviation bands indicators. So, let's see a complete trade example with this combination. Before we continue, if you want to support our channel and all this hard work by our team, smash that like and subscribe button. It takes just a second. With that, the KNN indicator printed a blue label right here, giving us a buy signal. Next, the volume bar is green and is above the 75 level. Moreover, the signal line is blue. Finally, the buy signal appears between 2 deviation bands and the candle color is green. We place a stop loss below the recent low and target 1.5 for 1 risk to reward. Boom, the price easily hit our target. So, we tested this strategy 100 times on Bitcoin, a 5-minute time frame, and received a 70% win rate figure and over 330% account growth in roughly 1.5 months. By the way, to learn the right settings for the last 2 indicators, make sure to watch the full video with this strategy. Now, let's move on to our second volume indicator. By the way, all today's strategies were backtested with software from Trader Edge since it is one of the most efficient backtesting tools available on the market. Thousands of traders are using Trader Edge to get an edge on their competition. This intuitive and easy-to-use backtester gets up to 3 times faster results than using classic spreadsheets. Also, Pandel Calendar and Trade Journal enables you to track your trades and identify what's working and what's not. Finally, the Indicators and Strats tab shows you the most profitable indicators and strategies that can be implemented in your trading. In addition, you will receive a full step-by-step backtesting guide, a full course on how to build a profitable mechanical trading strategy, and 4 pre-made high-quality strategies, worth over $470 for free. Trader Edge has a 7-day free trial, so there's absolutely no risk. Click the link in the description below. With that, open the Indicators tab, type Heatmap volume, and add this exact indicator. The indicator colors the volume bars and candles using the distance between the number of standard deviations from the average volume. More precisely, blue volume bars indicate a low volume environment, while yellow, orange, and red volume bars show a high volume environment. It is important to note that we should only focus on yellow and orange volume bars when confirming the trade entry because red bars often occur on the momentum candles, which are usually followed by a pullback or consolidation. Without further ado, let's view a breakout-driven trading strategy with the usage of the Heatmap volume indicator. Firstly, you need to add an open range breakout with take profit zones indicator. With that, we want the price to break above the upper purple line in a bullish scenario. Next, the volume bar should be orange or yellow. In our case, the Heatmap volume indicator has a yellow color, so that we enter the trade here. placing a stop loss below the recent low and applying the dynamic take-profit structure covered in the full video about this strategy. Bingo, the price easily smashed take-profit order. So, this strategy demonstrated a 72% win rate in backtest, while the account growth figure stood at about 250%. At this point, let's take a look at the final volume indicator. Before we continue, we want to share with you our top private indicator, QuantAlgo, which can be used in combination with previously discussed indicators or on its own. This high-quality algorithm, which combines complex trading processes to tell you when to buy and when to sell, was developed to enhance your trading experience. You can use it on any time frame for different asset classes. So, if you want to access QuantAlgo to get results fast, all links will be in the description and the comment section below. Without this, algo will put you at a disadvantage. So, go to the Indicators tab, search for Volume Composition, and add the following indicator. Volume composition breaks down the content of the volume, allowing a more detailed look inside each volume node as it consists of total volume, and dominating active volume. Before we adjust the indicator inputs, open the Style tab and turn off the following points to make the chart a bit cleaner. Classically, let's view how this indicator helps us to confirm buy and sell signals. So, at least 75% of the volume bar should have a green color to confirm a long entry. Note that under the term green, we consider light green and dark green shades. As you can see, the indicator also has a white line, which is actually a moving average that calculates the average volume over a specific period of time, acting as a dynamic part of our confirmation. With that, the volume bar should exceed the volume moving average, pointing to higher than average volume conditions and a high chance of a trend continuation move as a result. Exactly the opposite works for the bear case. At least 75% of the volume bar should have a red color, while the volume bar should be above the white MA line. Now, open the settings menu and change the volume moving average parameter to 50. At this point, let's see how we leverage this indicator to receive magnificent results. First of all, you need to add smoothed Heiken Ashi candles and RedK MACD indicators. Again, the optimal settings for these indicators can be found in the full video about this strategy. As of now, let's see a full trade example. First, smoothed Heiken Ashi becomes green right here, meaning an early buy signal. Next, the MACD bar is green and the proxy moving average line is green as well. Finally, we have a mainly green volume bar along the bottom, which is above the white MA line. We place a stop below the latest low and target 1.5 for 1 risk to reward. Bingo, take profit was smashed. In terms of the strategy's performance in backtest, we received an amazing win rate of 78%, while the account growth figure stood at more than 540% in about 1.5 months. So, if you're enjoying the video, leave a like on it and subscribe to our channel, as it always motivates us to release more new content more often. Thanks for your time, and I'll see you in the next video.